In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MSN Games quickly and easily so you can start playing your favorite games right from your browser and even pin them to your taskbar for faster access. This is a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find a game, install it, and keep it ready whenever you want to play. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type msn.com and press enter. Once the MSN homepage loads, look for the play section and click on it. This will take you to the MSN Games area where you can browse a wide collection of games. From here, you can either scroll through the available games or use the search option to find a specific one. Take a moment to explore and choose the game you want to download. When you find the game you want, click on it to open the game page. On that page, look at the top right corner. You should see an install button. Click that install button to begin the download or setup process. Depending on your browser and the game may open in a new window after installation starts. That's completely normal. Just wait a few moments while the game loads. Once it opens, you can start playing right away. Now, if you want even quicker access in the future, there's one more step you should do. You can pin the game to your taskbar. To do that, right-click on the taskbar icon for the game, then select Pin to Taskbar. This will keep the game easy to open whenever you want, without needing to search for it again. After that, you can simply click the pinned icon anytime to launch the game instantly. And that's it. You've now learned how to download MSN Games and pin them for quick access. It's fast, easy, and a great way to keep your favorite games just one click away. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.